Dun 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 dun!
Hi guys, it's me, Miss Eisenhart, and I'm back at it making you a video. This week we're doing addition strategies to 40. I also think I need a theme song, or an introduction song, because one, mine was pretty, and two, how cool would that be? So next week I'm gonna totally make a theme song.
Okay, we have 13 plus 15. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with tens and ones. So this is how we make our tens and ones. You can start it off. We are going to build our number now using tens and ones. It doesn't matter which number we build first, but I'll probably just do 13. So I'm going to do 1 10 and 3 ones. Then I'm going to build my second number because we're adding. When we add, we build two sets of numbers. So we're going to build 15. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to add up all of my ones. I know that it's less than 10 because I can see that it's 8, so I don't need to group anything. Oh, by the way, parents, this is called addition without regrouping, but first graders, we knew that, right? Okay, so we have 8 ones. Then I'm going to come over here and we have 2 tens. All right, 2 tens is worth 20, plus my 8 ones is worth 8, which equals 28. So my answer is 28. Do you remember it? Hope so, because the next one you're doing by yourself. Okay, here is 12 plus 22. You're going to pause the video and do this problem by yourself, and then come back and check to see if your answer was correct. Since Charlie won't come downstairs, I have some jokes. Here's my first one. What kind of band makes snappy music? A rubber band. Get it? Because rubber bands snap. All right. Hope you'd enjoyed that good joke that I just told. But here's the answer for 12 plus 22. All right, let's get ready for the next one. Here is our next problem. It is 29 plus 13. This one I know we're going to have to regroup because if I look at my ones, it's going to be greater than 10. So let's figure it out. We're going to build 29. So 2 tens, 9 ones. Then we're going to build 13. 1 10, 3 ones. I know this is greater than 10, and I'm going to make it 10 by taking 1 from my 3. So I'm going to group those together to show it's a 10. So then I have 10 and 2 more, which is 12. 12 ones. Then I'm going to go over to my tens, and I have 3 tens. So 3 tens is worth 30. 12 ones is worth 12. I can either know 30 plus 12, or I can decompose my 12. So I know 12 is 10 and 2. I'm going to circle this because that helps me the most, because 30 plus 10 is 40, plus 2 more is 42. I can also check my picture. I can say 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. So my answer is 42. Okay, get ready for your turn. Here is the answer for that problem. I wanted to point out that when we make a 10 down here, you can make a 10 a number of ways. I always look at the biggest number and try to group from there, but you could have done 4 and 6 as well. It doesn't matter as long as you group the 10. And remember, you don't have to decompose unless you need to, which there's no wrong or right answer for that. If you need to, then do it. If you don't, then no big deal. All right, let's do some problems by yourself. Okay, 14 plus 18, tens and ones, go for it. Here is the answer for that problem. I wanted to point out that when we make a 10 down here, you can make a 10 a number of ways. I always look at the biggest number and try to group from there, but you could have done 4 and 6 as well. It doesn't matter as long as you group the 10. And remember, you don't have to decompose unless you need to, which there's no wrong or right answer for that. If you need to, then do it. If you don't, then no big deal. All right, let's do some problems by yourself. Okay, before I make you do problems by yourself, I have another joke. What kind of noise does a witch's vehicle make? Broom, broom.
Get it? Because a broom. Because which is ride a broom. Yeah, okay. Here's another one. What does a triangle say to a circle? You're pointless. Get it? Because circles don't have any points and triangles do. That was a good one.
Here are your problems to do by yourself. Remember to pause the video and then come back and see if you got your answers correct. I will work through these because these are a little bit challenging than what I've shown. Remember, you don't always have to regroup. You only regroup if there's more than 10. And guess what? Some of these numbers don't always have a 10 in it, so you need to be careful of that. All right, great job working on that. So let's go over our answers. Let's see. Let's do tens and ones. We're going to do 1 10, 2 ones, 1 10, 2 ones, 4 ones, 2 tens, 20 plus 4 equals 24. There's that one. So I started that and then I messed up, so I'm coming back. 2 tens, 1 1, 1 10, 5 ones. Here is not enough to circle to group a 10, so we're just gonna write 6 ones, 3 tens, 30 plus 6 equals 36. Here's 25 plus 9. 1 2, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So here, look, I didn't add a 10 there, so there's nothing there. I'm just sketching 9. So then I have 9, and I'm gonna make a 10. 9 and 1's closest to 10, so that's why I did that. So 10 and 4 is 14. 2 tens. 2 tenses were 20 plus 14 ones. Remember, I can decompose or I can just solve it. I'm going to decompose and show that 14 is 10 and 4. Circle my tens. We have 20 plus 30, or 20 plus 30, 20 plus 10, which equals 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. Okay, last one. Tens once. We're going to do 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 17. 6, 7. All right, so remember I have to make a 10 because this is obviously more than 10. I can do 9 and 1 or I can do 7 and 3. I'm probably going to go with 9 and 1. You can do whatever though. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 ones, 2 tens, 20 plus 16. This time I'm not going to decompose. 1, because I don't have room, but 2, I'm going to try it. I'm going to see if I took the 10 out of here and gave it to 20, it'd be 30 plus 6 more is 36. So we have 36 there. Before I go, I'm going to tell you one more joke. What did one firefly say to the other? You glow, girl. Get it, because they glow. All right. Good job this week with your math, and be looking out for the video next week on subtraction to 40. Bye, guys. Miss you.